Hi! In this video, I will show you how to make a Gmail or Google account. Quickly, open the Gmail app on your phone, then click on the profile icon here. And now click on Add another account. Here, as you know, a Gmail account is the same as a Google account, so choose the first one, Google. And here click on Create Account. Then select For My Personal Use. Here, type your first name and last name. Then click Next. Now here, add your date of birth, month, and year. Then here choose your gender. Now click on Next. Now, here write your new Gmail address. Then click on Next. If the username is already taken, try again by adding a letter or number or writing another name. Then click on Next again. Now write a strong password with a mix of capital and small letters, numbers and symbols. Then click on Next. In the last update, you must add your phone number to confirm you are not a robot. Choose your country and enter your number here. Then click on Next. You will receive a code by SMS. Type it here, then click on Next. Now, this is my account information. Click on the Next. Here, Privacy and Terms page, scroll down to the end and click on I agree. Now Gmail has been created, and that's it.